Welcome to Traveling for Good. Today we're exploring the top 10 best winter sports destinations around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned skier, a snowboarding fanatic, or just looking for a winter adventure, these destinations offer the perfect blend of thrilling activities and breathtaking scenery. From North America to Europe and beyond, get ready to discover the ultimate winter playgrounds that will make your winter sports dreams come true. Number 10. Queenstown, New Zealand. Queenstown, on New Zealand's South Island, is a unique winter destination with 4 major ski resorts: Coronet Peak, The Remarkables, Cardrona, and Treble Cone. Each resort offers varied terrain, from beginner slopes to challenging runs. Queenstown is known for its vibrant après ski scene and stunning natural beauty, with Lake Wakatipu and the Southern Alps providing a picturesque backdrop. Activities such as bungee jumping and jet boating add to Queenstown's appeal as a winter sports destination. Number 9. Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy. Cortina d'Ampezzo, located in the Dolomites, is known for its glamorous atmosphere and stunning views. The resort offers a variety of slopes suitable for all levels, and it's renowned for its luxury amenities. Cortina features high-end shopping, gourmet dining, and upscale accommodations. Besides skiing and snowboarding, visitors can enjoy ice climbing, snowshoeing, and ice skating. The blend of natural beauty and luxury makes Cortina a top choice for winter sports enthusiasts. Number 8. Val d'Isère, France. Val d'Isère, part of the Espace-Killy ski area in the French Alps, offers over 300 kilometers of skiable terrain. The resort is known for its challenging slopes and extensive off-piste opportunities, making it ideal for advanced skiers. Val d'Isère features a lively après-ski scene with numerous bars, restaurants, and shops. Beyond skiing, activities such as ice climbing and snowshoeing are available. The combination of excellent skiing and vibrant village life makes Val d'Isère a premier winter sports destination. Number 7. Banff, Canada. Banff, situated in the Canadian Rockies, is home to 3 major ski resorts: Banff Sunshine, Lake Louise, and Mount Norquay. Together, they offer diverse terrain for all skill levels amidst the stunning scenery of Banff National Park. In addition to skiing and snowboarding, visitors can enjoy ice climbing, dog sledding, and hot springs. The town of Banff is charming, with a range of shops, restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Banff's natural beauty and variety of winter activities make it a top destination for those seeking a comprehensive winter experience. Number 6. Zermatt, Switzerland. Zermatt, located at the base of the iconic Matterhorn, offers breathtaking views and world-class skiing. The resort features over 360 kilometers of pistes and year-round skiing on its glacier. Zermatt is a car-free village, which enhances its charm and tranquility. The resort offers luxury accommodations, gourmet dining, and a range of winter activities including ice skating and snowshoeing. Zermatt's combination of stunning scenery, exceptional skiing, and upscale amenities makes it a premier destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Number 5. Chamonix, France. Chamonix-Mont Blanc is a historic destination in the French Alps, often referred to as the gateway to the European Alps. Known for its challenging terrain and stunning scenery, Chamonix offers over 150 kilometers of ski runs and extensive off-piste opportunities. The town of Chamonix is lively and picturesque, with a range of dining and entertainment options. In addition to skiing, visitors can enjoy activities such as ice climbing, mountaineering, and paragliding. The stunning backdrop of Mont Blanc and the town's vibrant atmosphere make Chamonix a top choice for those seeking both adventure and charm. Number 4. Niseko, Japan. Niseko, located on Japan's northern island of Hokkaido, is famous for its incredible powder snow. The area receives an average of 15 meters of snow annually, making it a paradise for skiers and snowboarders. Niseko consists of 4 interconnected resorts: Grand Hirafu, Hanazono, Niseko Village, and Onupuri. Each offers unique terrain and exceptional snow conditions. In addition to skiing and snowboarding, Niseko provides relaxing natural hot springs, or onsen, for a soothing post-ski experience. The resort's unique blend of powder snow and cultural experiences, including traditional Japanese cuisine and hot springs, makes it a standout winter destination. Number 3. Aspen, USA. Aspen, Colorado is synonymous with luxury and top-tier skiing. With 4 distinct mountains, Aspen Mountain, Aspen Highlands, Buttermilk, and Snowmass, Aspen offers a variety of terrain suitable for all skill levels. The town is renowned for its upscale shopping, gourmet dining, and vibrant arts scene. In addition to skiing, Aspen provides activities such as snowmobiling, ice climbing, and hot air balloon rides. The Apres ski scene in Aspen is exceptional, featuring a range of high-end bars and restaurants. Its combination of diverse skiing options, luxury accommodations, and lively nightlife make Aspen a premier winter sports destination. Number 2. St. Anton, Austria. St. Anton am Arlberg is a legendary destination in the Austrian Alps, famous for its challenging slopes and vibrant après-ski culture. With over 305 kilometers of ski runs and 200 kilometers of off-piste terrain, St. Anton is ideal for experienced skiers and snowboarders. The village combines traditional alpine charm with modern amenities, offering a lively atmosphere with numerous bars, restaurants, and shops. St. Anton also hosts exciting winter events and festivals throughout the season, adding to its appeal. The resort's challenging terrain and vibrant social scene make it a must-visit for winter sports enthusiasts seeking both adventure and a great après-ski experience. Number 1. Whistler Blackcomb, Canada. Whistler Blackcomb, nestled in British Columbia, Canada, is the largest ski resort in North America. It boasts over 8,100 acres of skiable terrain and is renowned for its exceptional snow conditions and diverse slopes. The resort features 2 mountains, Whistler and Blackcomb, connected by the Peak 2 Peak Gondola. This gondola offers stunning views of the surrounding peaks and valleys, creating an unforgettable experience. Whistler Blackcomb caters to all skill levels, with gentle runs for beginners and challenging terrains for advanced skiers and snowboarders. The resort also offers heli skiing, snowshoeing, and snowmobiling. After a day on the slopes, the vibrant Whistler Village provides an array of dining, shopping, and nightlife options, ensuring a lively après-ski scene. And there you have it, our top 10 best winter sports destinations. From the powdery slopes of Japan to the luxury resorts of Switzerland and the vibrant après-ski scenes of North America and Europe, these locations offer something for every winter sports enthusiast. Whether you're chasing adventure or simply enjoying the snowy landscapes, these destinations promise unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel content from Traveling for Good. See you on the slopes.